to look back. That look of sheer terror, it speaks what your voice lacks. See your reflection reflecting your hatred. Now watch as the rotten is rejuvenated.
Not the first rodeo I've seen here tight with a cryptic talk called bark, no bite, no fight. Push me to my limit, you know I'm in it to win it. No matter how you can spin it, cause any minute I could strike you
there you
down.
have it, your rapid ascension. While I'm wreaking havoc on all three dimensions. Roblox, see it on you or not, but a weapon. You will not respond, not in hell nor in heaven. Each slash of your blade leaves you slightly more damage. So bow down and pray as his kingdom is ravaged.
Sloppy! What's a phrase to a king? You got cool looking moves, I forgot one thing. You miss every time, it's embarrassing. At least that red can hit his boom swings.
The vermin you chose not to fear. Now you ride and you spread for the dawn of my kingdom is here. Entangled in vines, conceived by your mind. Look deeper inside, it's me that you'll find. A part of your mind, I dwell deep inside.